What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about basically how to do your description for your Amazon FBA listing. Now, a lot of times people, when they do their listings, they think that they have to put a ton of information in their description, and they'll have these long sentences in each one of their bullet points. Now, guys, honestly, don't do that. People when they come on your listing, they're looking for, straight to the point, straight to, what meets their needs and something that they can relate to. So, when you're probably going to be able to find listings on Amazon that are similar to what I'm going to talk about today, and this model, hold on, and honestly, this model is probably, in my opinion, the best way to do it. So the first thing that you guys want to talk about is, why is your product better than everyone else's? Just to get their attention. So, let's say we're doing the lint remover like we talked about in the previous video. We can start out by saying your perfect lint remover or your perfect lint destroyer or something like that. So that automatically triggers in their head. They'll be like, oh, okay. So, this might be the product for me. And then from here, what you guys want to talk about is, maybe something relatable. Be like, we understand the problem that arise with shedding pets. Something like that. And that is why our team of pet owners, our team of pet owners and problem solvers developed this our team of pet owners and problem solvers developed this useful and home-changing product. It doesn't have to be something too fancy, but something that, everyone can relate to. If you go on YouTube, you go on, blog posts or articles. A lot of times the way that people connect, that people that fall upon those listings or, blogs or articles, the way people connect is by actually finding something relatable in it, right? So having a good start off, having a good, initial, impression on the customers when they come on your listing is very important. So your perfect lint remover, blah blah blah, and then our quality. So our quality, of course, you want to mention this. You want to tell them, why your quality is better than everyone else's. Why, what it's made out of. And for the product that I'm doing now, if you go on Alibaba, you're probably wondering, how can I determine if my product is better than some other people? Either you can have your product manufactured to make it more durable, or you can go on, like, literally suppliers on Alibaba. They'll have videos on there showing, why their product is more durable. They'll literally have drop tests or, rolling tests or, doing other things to it to show its durability. So our quality, our lint remover. You can be more relatable again. Be like, we get it. Most lint removers, are made of cheap and easily breakable plastics, but ours is made of durable. If you're just still made out of plastic, of course, say that it is. Don't be like, oh, ours is made out of durable metal or whatever, because of course you're lying to them. So you don't want to lie to them, because if you mention something that really isn't on the product or with the product, then people can report you and people can get you in trouble when you have your listing banned. So make sure you're always mentioning that what's actually real on your listing. So we get it. Most lint removers are made of cheap and easily breakable plastics, but ours is made durable and sturdy with the most with, I don't know, with multiple layers of hard, non-hollowed out plastics. I don't know. There might be another term that you can use for plastics, some other like synonym or something like that, just to make it seem, you know, a little bit better. But hopefully you guys get the point. And then the ideal choice. So from here, you're basically talking about, you know, why is your product better than someone else's still? So I'm trying to think of what I did for my product. The ideal choice. Let's see. So the ideal choice, you could probably say maybe you know, maybe if you have an ebook or you know, some other bundled item with it, which of course you should. You know, let's say you throw an ebook with it, be like other sellers don't seem to other sellers don't throw on don't all right. All right, so it'll be like knowing how to use the lint remover may be challenging. Now, if you guys know about the lint remover, I'm not saying you guys actually go out and do this product. I mean, you can. I think the market's kind of competitive for it, but a lot of the lint removers, they were very cheaply made, and a lot of them actually didn't work at all. Like the fabric on them that was used to clean up the lint, a lot of them just like you try and, you know, brush over the hair and it would just fall right off of it, so it wouldn't work. Now, that was a big problem in the market. I don't know if anyone, you know, beat that problem in the marketplace, but if they did, they're probably making a killing right now. So knowing how to use the lint remover may be challenging. There are many removers that seem to just not work. That is why we included our in-depth ebook to show you exactly how to use it. And then boom, there you go. The ideal choice. This is, you know, the ideal choice like I did for my bullet points. I use this instance for me to, you know, differentiate between everyone else. I did have a bundled product, you know, in addition to the main product, and I had I actually threw in 2 ebooks. So how does this work? Let's see, how does this work? So our lint remover uses, I don't know, maybe you went to your Chinese, you know, supplier and told them to you know, I don't know, make the fabric more static or whatever, make it more, you know, able to, you know, pick up lint. Our lint remover uses special fabrics that are able to pick up lint like no others. By simply brushing your lint remover over any spot with hair, 99. No, let's not make a claim here. I was going to say 99% of the time it will be picked up. So we don't want to make, you know, a claim. So our lint remover uses special fabrics that are able to pick up lint like no others. By simply brushing your lint remover over any spot with hair, you will have your problem solved in no time. And then the lifetime warranty satisfaction guarantee. Oops, I forgot how to spell this. See guys, I suck at spelling words, honestly. I'm horrible at it. I used to cheat on my spelling tests when I was in grade school, so don't blame me. Alright, so lifetime satisfaction or warranty guarantee. So at this point, you want to end every single one of your descriptions on your listing, on a good note, something that can definitely reassure anyone that falls on your listing. So what you want to say here is be like, 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like your product, we'll buy it back from you, no questions asked, and then period from there. Just make it short, sweet and simple, just to let the customer know that you guys mean business and that you guys are here to make the customer feel as satisfied as possible when they purchase your product. So be like, don't love our product, send it back, we will buy it back from you full price, and send you a better one. Better one. No questions asked. Period. Alright, so that's basically it. Now, of course, there's only 5 different, different boxes that you can have for your description. And then for each one of these, you want to make sure that you have like a check mark or some, fancy emoji or something like that, just to make it, look more professional. Just don't put like that. Don't put a dash there because that doesn't really look good. You want something that's going to be eye-catching to them. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. From here, of course, all you want to do is copy and paste this onto your listing. I'll go ahead and try. Alright guys, so here we are, back on the listing. So your product description and your key product features are 2 different things. The product description is at the very bottom where you sum up everything and there's no real organization, so you just throw in a paragraph or whatever. And of course for the product description, you're basically summing up everything. And then of course you can end that with the lifetime warranty, etc. And then the key product features, which are the most important, is of course what I was talking about earlier and what we just did, are these things right here. So all you want to do is go in and then just copy and paste all these, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and just put in emoji. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in a emoji character so we can stand out. So maybe a check mark right there. Go ahead and copy that. Now you guys can just go to emojicopy.com. They have a ton of cool emojis that you can use. And then I'll go back on here. Whoops. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. And bam. And then of course when you're doing this, you want to make this in all capital letters. The ideal choice, forgot to mention that actually. Our quality, your perfect lint remover. How does this work? Lifetime warranty. Whoops, just misspelled that. Warranty. Alright, we'll just leave it at that. So from here, all you want to do, of course, is just copy and paste these over. Bang. Bang. Alright, so now that we have all these over, of course, we can go to save and finish. We go back to listing, and then bam, here we go. We got everything lined up perfectly like we wanted it to. Yes. Alright, so the only thing that you guys have to worry about when you do your product description and keyword features is that for the product description, when you go in and you summarize everything on there, you just basically summarize all this stuff, and then of course have these same bullet points, and so you don't have to make it look too fancy. Here you can put simple bullet points for the description, or dash marks or whatever. But when you actually copy and paste it on the product description, it's not going to look right. It's not going to look organized. So what you want to do is actually copy and paste your product description when you have it written over to a I think it's, let me see real quick, I think it's a Word to HTML. Yeah. So what you want to do is it's not going to look organized when you do your description. So all you want to do is just copy and paste it on the Word HTML.com, and then from there, all you have to do is switch over to HTML. So I don't know, blah blah blah. So yeah, let's say this is your description, right? That's your HTML version of it. So you go back to Word editor or whatever, and then you just switch back to HTML, and you copy this and then put it back into your product description, copy and paste it, save and finish, and then it will be organized on your listing. So yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you got something out of it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.